You need to take just one of the 10 ml for that day to see how it affects you. Don't rush into, oh, they say it's 3 times daily, so you take 1 cup 10 ml in the morning, the afternoon. See, that is going to cause you serious issues. And I'm
outside in an AMG, right outside TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the...
If you want to have like full detail of what I'm talking about, because you need to understand what I'm trying to say, make sure you do not skip any part of this video and you watch it to the very end. The fact that you just feel like it's all about as much as you can consume and not about how or the precautions you need to take before taking it is actually what is affecting you. I'm not gonna lie. When it comes to taking multivitamins, a lot of people have questions and some of them have unanswered questions, but they still go ahead to buy these multivitamins and take them. I don't have a problem with you wanting to take multivitamins, which is totally fine. In all my videos as a weight gain coach, I always tell you guys that you need to be cautious about what you're doing. You need to understand that there are limits to what your health can take, and you need to be considerate about your body. Because I'm not going to lie to you guys, I'm going to be like blank and straight up with you. If you want to take multivitamins, make sure you understand that there is a detrimental side to that. Okay, there's another side of that, another phase of that could actually affect you negatively. What do I mean by that? I use multivitamins to boost my weight gain. I have taken them over and over again. But one thing I've come to understand is the fact that don't let your multivitamins replace your main goal for appetite. I have a video on multivitamins and the best multivitamins you could try, which is in this video. You could check it out and see if you want to try those multivitamins out. But yes, there's always a but. Anyways, when you want to try multivitamins, you need to understand that these things have a lot of chemicals in them that actually affect you negatively. So you don't want to go all out and become rash and crazy with it. Some people take this very wrongly, and that is why they always have issues. Okay, so now you have a bottle of a multivitamin. You got a bottle of a multivitamin. Okay, so now you have that bottle and you're wondering, oh, how am I supposed to take this? And some people don't even know which multivitamin to take, which is another issue as well. But anyways, now you've gotten the bottle, you're wondering, oh, how am I supposed to take this, and you go to the net and you see, oh, 3 times daily. And so you go back and you're taking it 3 times daily. Remember that you're taking multivitamins to make you want to eat. So technically, if you're taking multivitamins to make you want to eat and you don't have what to eat, I don't think there's any sense in that, if you understand me. You're just putting yourself at a very, very bad spot. So what you're going to do is you have a bottle of multivitamins. First of all, we want to start slowly because our system is not used to this, okay? Our system is used to fruits like oranges and, pineapples and fruits that actually, are different. Maybe it's your first time, so your system is not used to this. You need to take it easy, okay? Taking it easy doesn't mean you're not going to get its effects. Trust me. I've been there, still there, and yeah. So firstly, you want to take it easy. You want to get your multivitamin, and then you're going to take 10 ml. It said 10 ml. I don't know how some people take it. Do you like full up the whole cup or something? I don't really know anyways. But they say 10 ml, which means is what? 10 ml. It doesn't mean 15. Or because the cup is way fuller than 10 ml, you want to go for like take it by the horn or whatever that is. I do not know, but you have to take it 10 ml. And what I do is, especially when you're trying a multivitamin syrup that you've never taken before, you need to take just one of the 10 ml for that day to see how it affects you. Don't rush into, oh, they say it's 3 times daily, so you take 1 cup 10 ml in the morning, the afternoon. See, that is going to cause you serious issues, and I'm going to be as frank with you as possible. I know you want to gain weight and you want the process to be fast, and that is why I create my videos, to show you guys and to be as honest as possible as I can with you guys. But honestly, if you are taking your multivitamins 3 times daily, 10 ml, that is wrong. It's going to get you to a point where you are just sick and tired. If you're a student that is, trying out multivites, I recommend that you take lots and lots of water, because you're going to get very stressed out and you're going to feel dizzy, especially if you're not taking this the way I am saying in the video. If you're starting up and you're trying to go for the big leagues already, it's going to cause you a lot of issues, okay? And if you're not starting up as well, you have to have limits, okay? Don't just go all out. Oh, I want to gain weight, 20 bottles of multivitamins, 6 bottles. Girl, I know how it is. I know how you feel. Honestly, I totally get it. But you're not going to risk that. You're not going to risk your life just because you want to gain weight. I personally, for a period of time, let's say 2 months, I gained weight without any multivites, okay? So you could do that as well. You could try out natural multivites, okay, to actually supplement that. So don't use your multivites and make your system too used to the fact that you take multivites to an extent where your body cannot function anymore, where your body doesn't develop any appetite anymore if you're not taking multivites. It's just wrong and it's not right. I do not recommend that on this channel. I will never tell you to go and take loads of multivites, especially when it's detrimental to your health. And in case you're looking at taking multivites or you've been taking multivites, I'm telling you guys now, you need to drink lots of water. And anytime you take the multivite and you feel like sleeping, sleep at that moment. And if you're a student and you have classes, you have what you're getting into, please, I think you should start your multivite on the weekends, so that in case, it gives you that vibe, you will know how to handle it, okay? And just in case it has gone out of control and you don't know how to handle it, you're so hungry, you're so tired all the time, girl, I need you to get more carbs. Eat foods that are high in carbohydrates, drink lots of water, and if it's time to rest, please rest your heads, okay? It is very, very important that you know these things and you know how to take your multivitamins so that you don't have any issues, you don't have any health conditions in the end. You want to go for multivitamins, please, I'm begging you in the name of the God that you serve, please just keep boundaries, keep limits to it, okay? Put a pause when you need to put a pause, okay? It's not worth it, honestly. And don't take multivitamins unless you have food. And I know you're gonna say, oh, but I have food. It's just, no. When I mean food, I mean food. Make sure you have high carbohydrate foods in your house. I'm talking sweet potatoes, I'm talking tofu, I'm talking salmon, whatever it is that you feel you could get your hands on. And fluids, you need to take a lot of fluids like juice, yogurt, and all of that. So just make sure you have that. Don't go to take multivitamins when you know that the only thing you have available is rice. Please don't do that to yourself. It's not it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to really address this because I have been getting comments of people saying, oh, they don't know what to do, they took too much multivitamins and it's affecting them, they're always sleeping. Please, if you start taking multivitamins, just make sure they're going to up your water intake so that your water will actually just do the whole cleansing for you. But if you're taking the multivitamins, up your water intake, up your food intake, your carbohydrate intake, so that it gives you energy and you're able to stay focused and not get dizzy. And please start at a slow pace and then you build up with time, and don't go crazy, please. I don't need you taking multivites in 2 months. Maybe you're taking almost 4 bottles of multivites in 2 months. What's going on? There are natural ways to go about this, baby girl, and trust me, you're going to be so grateful you did that. Just look really good and just fit really nicely in your clothing. And so I would recommend that you do this with love in your heart, for your body first of all and for your mind, okay, so that we don't get crazy about it. All right. Hi there, if you're new to the channel, my name is Girl Kenzie. I'm glad to have you watching. I hope that you will take our time to stay with the family by subscribing, and also like this video and share to whoever needs to watch it. And if you're an older returning subscriber, I love you so much, and I hope I see you all in my next video. Bye for now.